Here's the 36-inch or 30-inch Litex Vortex Hugger in white. Not sure the year. If I had to guess, it's probably from the late 90s, maybe early 2000s, but I'm not really too sure. Got reversal bleached oak to just white blades. This globe is not original. It came off the Cairn Twister. The original globe was like one of those mushroom globes, and due to this fan's wobble issue, the globe was loose. It fell straight onto the floor, and it cracked the upper part, the part that goes into there that the screws screw into. Here, I'll show you. There it goes. This part broke on the old one, so I had to replace it. So I just put this one on there when I took the can arm down, just so that it looks a little bit complete. And honestly, it doesn't look too bad on here. I actually quite like this globe. It's better than it's different than the, you know, the standard mushroom or the schoolhouse globe ones. See where that's actually on secure. There we go. Yes, this does have the reverse chain. Here's the light. It's just got an LED daylight, 60 watt equivalent LED in there. Turn it on low here. This one's kind of noisy. It also wobbles. I don't know if this one will get replaced or not. There's a possibility it might get this might get replaced with another one of these Ashby Parks, but I'm not really too sure what. Nah, it's just the globe was vibrating. Low with the light on. Go ahead and turn it on medium. See, it's starting to wobble a little bit, but it's not that bad. As I walked away, it started wobbling more. I did take it apart when I was doing the Ashby Park, this one in here. I did take it apart and tighten everything up, but it still likes to wobble. Other than that, it works well. It's up there secure though, so I'm not too worried about it. I mean, it's been up there for how many years and it still hasn't, seems to balance out when it's on high, less wobbly. Wow, this thing. I don't know how these little 3-inch huggers throw so much air. It's like a really good amount of air. She flies, bro. Just have the light on. Now, this is on a finished ceiling. I don't know, this might do a little bit more than the Twister, actually, the Cairn Twister. Slightly more. I'll do a spin down here. Oh, this is a 24 remake of this fan, if I haven't mentioned that already. I probably didn't. Probably forgot. And there we go. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.